Good morning, children. Next is selection controls in VB. Visual Basic provides various selection controls that allow the user to choose one or more items from the displayed option. The commonly used selection controls in VB are option button, checkbox, list box, and combo box. In this chapter, we will learn how to add the selection controls to the BB form and to use their properties to code. First one is option button. Option controls are used to select one option from a number of mutually exclusive choices. It is also known as radio buttons because of their shape. And caption property of the option button is used to display the text in the various choice. The default property of an option button control is value. Value property is used to store a boolean value that is true or false. Here is an example for option button. From these choices, you can select only one option. Here is an example for usage of option button. In this example, we will display the flower based on the option button control selected by the user by clicking the value property of each option. So before starting the program, you have to keep some important things in mind. First one is here you are writing the programming code. So here you are the programmer. So whatever code is written there, it is displayed or it is known only by the programmer. The person who use this option button controls or this web page you created is user. He is seeing only the output of your form. So here the first one is programmer part, that is the VB code written here, and the second column is user part, that is the output. It is seen by the user. Now let us see this example. So here we will display the flower based on the option control selected by the user. We are using the value property of the option button. So the program starts private sub command button click function and ends with end sub. So whenever you open the VB window, these two options will be there. In between these two commands, we are typing our command. So it is given here dim image file as string. As you know, the variable is declared as dim in VB. So dim image file as string. So here we are using words. So it is not character string. Then here we are using four option buttons. So in this command you have to give four commands: option button 1, option button 2, option button 3 and option button 4. So for option button 1, here we given hibiscus flower. For option button 2, option given is tulips. Then option button 3 given is rose, and for option button 4 it is hydrangeas. Then the program starts. If option button 1 dot value, that is the user is selecting first option button, then which image should display? From the sample pictures in the D drive, from the sample pictures hibiscus picture should display. So image is equal to D sample pictures hibiscus.jpg. Then next, else if he is selecting option button 2 value, then which image should display? From the D drive sample picture select tulips. Then else if selecting third option button, it should select rose. Then else if the fourth button is selecting, then the hydrangeas flower will display. And if these all these options buttons are not selected, then what is the default image given there? It will display, that is image 1 picture load picture image file, then ends up. So this is a simple program for the usage of option button. So which option button is they pressing, that image will display. So here we declare and give all the images name. Then one more thing, here we are using option button. So at a time the users can select only one option. So if the user select the option button 4, hydrangeas will be the output. Otherwise, if we selected the option button 2, tulips will get the output.